Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel where I make quick and easy meals that the whole family will love. So today I'm going to be making pizza, which is usually what we eat on Friday nights. I buy the pizza dough, which reduces the time that I'm in the kitchen, but everything else I'm going to be making from home. And once you taste this pizza, you'll never buy delivery again. So join me as I make pizza for our Friday night meal. I have 1 spoon of pesto. I'm going to pour some spaghetti sauce because I don't like pizza sauce. I find it a bit too tangy. So I'm going to spread this all around. And you can just eyeball the amount of spaghetti sauce that you put on. I don't like it too saucy, so I think this is good. I had cut up some garlic, so I'm adding garlic. I have oregano here. I'm just gonna sprinkle some on. Just adds to the flavor. I love the smell and flavor of oregano. I have some Scotch Bonnett hot sauce because my family likes things spicy. Of course, you don't need to add this if you don't want to. Make sure we mix that around. What I have here is a mixture of old cheddar, white cheddar, and mozzarella. I'm going to be making 5 pizzas. I bought 3 balls of pizza dough and it'll make about 5 pizzas. That's why I have so much cheese. I have some sweet onions here and some green onions, or scallion, as some people call it. So we'll sprinkle that on. Put on some onions. I'm going to add some turkey bacon. So I just did these in the microwave and I much prefer these over pepperoni. I find pepperoni too salty, but I find turkey bacon just a little less salty. And I like the texture of turkey bacon better. So I'm just using my kitchen scissors to cut the turkey bacon and add it to the pizza. Now, how easy is this? And I guarantee you, it'll taste so much better than store-bought pizza or delivery. Okay, so now we're ready to put it in the oven. So I'm gonna put this in the oven on 420 for about 12 minutes. Your oven might need a little more, a little less time, but my oven is about 420 for about 12 minutes. How quick and easy was that? That was pretty quick and easy for delicious homemade pizza. Just buy the pizza dough and then you can add whatever toppings you and your family enjoy. And if you have different toppings than what I add, please drop me a comment in the comment section below and give me some ideas for the next time I make pizza. Until next time, I'm wishing you and your family happy cooking and good eating.